Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Sheffield John Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking. As seen in the title, today I'll be showing you how to make protein oatmeal. The breakfast that I've had over the past 3 years, that's a forefinger, 3 years to sustain my weight and even gain some muscles, because you all know, probably if you've been following me from 2017, you know I've come a far way where weight is concerned, and this is one of my main breakfasts that I usually have to give me the strength, and it has flavor. So without further delay, after the intro we jump right into it.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
And we are back, as I said before, making protein oatmeal, something that I have for breakfast literally every day. So let's go quick and easy. First up, gotta get a pot. So we have here a pot with 1.5 cups of water. Just gonna bring that to a boil. So I just came back from the gym and I said, you know what, I'm gonna show you what I drink, because you know, in order to gain muscle you need a lot of protein, and what better way to make this porridge into protein. So I'm going in with 2 scoops, about 30 grams of oatmeal. Alright, we're gonna hit that with a little bit of salt, a pinch, not even, and then we're gonna mix. The goal here is to cook the oats a little bit and allow all this water to absorb in the oats. And if you put the oats in the liquid cold, chances are it will be slimy. So you want the water to come to a boil before you add your oats. Alright, so we're just gonna let that cook on medium heat until most of this water has been dissolved. So if you can realize, you see the liquid is being absorbed, almost dry. Don't let this burn. Now we're going to heat that right away now with about a cup of milk. I normally use plant-based milk because I don't drink dairy. So going, I'll mix that in. I'm going to allow this to come to a boil. And you may ask, so chef, what about the spices? I don't add any spice to mine. A little bit of salt, that's it. If you want to tip a little bit of vanilla, you don't even have to, because what we're about to use will just change the whole game. Peanut butter, just peanut butter. I'm going to go in with 2 tablespoons because I like mine to be nice and creamy. So 2 heaping tablespoons. This is 1, but it's actually 2, and that's how we get that protein in there. You may be wondering, peanut butter and oats porridge? Don't beat it until you try it, my friends. You want to see how creamy this is? Mix that in. Yep. This is the porridge. And remember, you don't have to add any sweetener to this because the peanut butter is already sweet. But if you need more sweetening, you can add a touch of honey. Alright, kill the heat and you just mix that, and trust me my friends, this is what I've been drinking since I started the gym. And tell me that you're not seeing these gains. Tell me, don't play with me. You saw mine before. Yeah, beautiful, look at that. Creamy, look at that. Nice. Give that a taste. But if you want to add it to elevate it a little bit of honey. For the persons who don't want too much calories, you don't have to add the honey. But for me, I'm a weight gainer. I'm trying to gain the weight. It's a nice solid breakfast for me right here. And of course, I'm going to be doing up some eggs. And there we go. Beautiful. Look at that. Proper. Trust me, don't beat it until you try it. Don't beat it until you try it. Nice and creamy. This is what I do, my friends, to gain muscle. And you realize I don't have a lot of unhealthy stuff going on. I eat regular throughout the day, yes. My breakfast and dinner are nice solid meals. Whatever I make in the kitchen here, I'd have that for lunch. My eggs, olive oil, which is healthy fat, and a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt to flavor. Sometimes I boil my eggs, I don't put any salt or pepper on there, I just eat them as is. My porridge, the peanut butter, healthy, depending on who you're talking to, because some persons will say too much calories in peanut butter, so I don't want it. But for me, I'm trying to gain muscle, but I want to gain lean muscle. So as you realize, I've been gaining and I have lean muscle mass. And if you want to see me in the gym, check out my Instagram, hot_chef. In my stories, I post daily, 5 days a week minimum. I used to do 6 days, now I cut it back to 5. So I do 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, I'm in the gym. You can guarantee to see even a picture of me being in the gym. And that's where I get it done for 3 years. Feel nice, look good. You see me, I say? So that's my protein oatmeal for you. Quick and easy. In 5 minutes you have protein oatmeal and some egg ready up. High protein breakfast for you and yours. So once again, thank you very much for watching. Now you know what the thing going on. So if you love the vibe, hit subscribe. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself. Me I go beat this. Me I go. Listen, don't ramp with the shit.